You are learning video editing the wrong way. And these are the three traps holding you back, and you might never realize it. So let's start with the first one. Now, let's be honest here. The moment we hear video editing, we usually imagine cinematic shots, big productions, complex software, and maybe a dark editing room with massive screens. And when you aim at the wrong destination, something strange happens. You start learning what looks impressive instead of what actually moves you towards your own goals. And without even realizing it, you start comparing yourself to editors working on huge movie projects. Because chances are, you don't want to edit the next Hollywood movie or a Netflix project. You either want to create content for yourself, like editing your own videos, or offer editing services to people who truly need your help. Now, movies can absolutely teach you storytelling, emotion, pacing, and editing psychology, because those ideas apply to almost every type of editing. But you don't need to master movie-level editing to create great content or edit videos for creators and businesses, especially when you're just getting started. So, what should you exactly do before getting started? Just answer a simple question. Why do you want to learn video editing? And the moment you know your answer, you now have a clear destination, and your learning naturally becomes much simpler and easier. But even with a clear destination, there's another trap waiting for you. Most beginners think video editing is actually one skill. But video editing is actually a collection of multiple skills. But the problem is not that these skills exist. The actual problem is that you discover all of them at the same time, and on top of that, you also assume you need to learn all of them at the same time. So you desperately start learning all of them with 100% focus and efforts, only to become a beginner in 10 different skills. So what's the solution? Just start with editing basics and practice each skill by giving it enough time to actually master it. So your goal should be learn the right thing at the right time instead of mastering everything as soon as possible. Now this is where everything comes together. Because right after falling into the first two traps, you start measuring progress the wrong way. Now all of a sudden, progress becomes all about collecting tutorials, techniques, and knowledge. The problem? Collecting knowledge and building a real skill are two different things. And I have been through this myself, watching every single tutorial on a topic but never taking action. So what's the solution? Just stop measuring progress by how many tutorials you watch. Instead, measure it by how many projects you finish. Because skills are built through practice. I mean real practice. Not watching someone else edit, not collecting more tutorials, but actually sitting down and finishing real editing projects. Because finished videos expose your mistakes faster, and you exactly know what you need to learn next. So right after watching any tutorial, just try to implement it practically. Or you can also pick a video you like and try to recreate it. And no, generating 500 AI clips doesn't count as editing practice. Sorry. That's simply called generating AI clips. And actual editing starts after that. Now let's not waste time arguing about what actually counts as editing. Just open your editor and finish a real project. Because that's how you learn real video editing.